how much to sell on eBay. Now, if you've been planning on selling items on eBay, but you're curious about the cost, now when deciding how much to sell an item on eBay, consider the item's condition, market value, shipping cost, and eBay fees, aiming to set a price that is competitive yet allows you to make a profit. Now, for most casual sellers, listing items on eBay is free for up to 250 listings per month, but you will be charged a small fee, typically around 35 cents per listing once you exceed that limit, with additional fees applied when an item sells based on the percentage of the final sell price depending on the category. So I hope this video pretty much answered your question as to how much is the limit and how many orders can you sell. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in our next video.